Hi there, students. Confetti. Confetti. Okay, confetti is what you throw at a wedding. Yeah, it's small pieces of coloured paper that are scattered around, that are scattered over the bride and groom. Nowadays they use confetti at all sorts of celebrations. Yeah, so there's confetti everywhere on New Year's Eve, for example. Yeah, confetti is these little pieces of paper that they used to throw over the bride and groom, the girl and the boy, when they come out of the church for a wedding. Um, Now, this word, I think, is really good for similes, like confetti. Yeah, notice confetti is actually a plural noun, but it's used with a singular verb. Like confetti. So the government are spending public money like confetti. Like it's just nothing. They're throwing it, they're scattering it everywhere. Yeah. Um, there are legal cases flying about like confetti. Yeah, so there are legal cases everywhere. They are appearing like confetti. Yeah, the government had been granting permits like confetti in large numbers. Yeah, um, the government has, instead of making one comprehensive press release, has issued a confetti of press releases. Okay, so lots and lots and lots of them. Um, okay, so a confetti of, like confetti, a large amount of something. Yeah, I love this idea of spending taxpayers' money like confetti without actually noticing where the money is needed. Yeah. Um, yeah, this one's a good one. Injunctions against the media have been thrown about like confetti in the hands of an excitable wedding guest. Okay, so like confetti, in large amounts, huge amounts of. Um, okay, yes, the soup looked really good with a green burst of confetti, which actually was cilantro on the top of it. Okay, so confetti. Confetti is this these little bits of paper, streamers or metallic material that are thrown at celebrations, parades, and weddings. Let's see. The word itself, confetti, comes from Latin confectum, something made. Yeah, it actually comes from Italian, confetti, confections, little sweets, and this used to talk about sugar-coated almonds. Yeah, which used to be thrown during carnivals and weddings. Yeah, but this then changed into little pieces of paper. Yeah, the English started celebrating weddings by throwing little sweets, but later this became the tiny pieces of coloured paper. Also, in the past, people very often used to throw rice as a fertility symbol for a wedding. Okay, but use this word confetti like it was nothing. Lots of everywhere. There praise rained down on him like confetti. Yeah, to spend money like confetti. Okay, yes, um, a large tent with a confetti of little tables in various places. So a large amount scattered everywhere, put everywhere. Formality, like a confetti of. It sounds a little bit literary. It sounds very good. I'm going to give it a 6 as a simile, but just the word confetti, 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Confetti.